All right, so I'm going to be making, it's our King Arthur's tangy sourdough bread. And mainly because, look at this. Our sourdough is so active and so happy right now. So we have more than enough. I'm going to actually double the recipe too. So I'm going to start with first zeroing out my scale. It's 225 or 227 grams. I'm not going to use this outside part though. I'll use everything inside. And then we'll double it. So we'll start with 227. I have to zero out the scale. Not sure if I have enough to double it. So I would need, let me see, zero it out one more time. I gotta leave enough so I can also feed it again. Pretty much gonna be using almost all of it, except for just enough to make a little bit and keep it fed. All right, so that is 218 and the other one was about 237. So that will be it. All right, so next, I'm going to zero this out again. And my water needs to be 340 grams for the first batch. All right, so let's see. All right, so right now I'm at 305. All right, and then I'm just going to zero this out again, and I'll do this. To double it, I'll do another 340 grams. I am going to add 3 cups, it's about 360 grams of flour. I gotta make sure I zero it out. There we go. This is the easiest way to do this if you're gonna double too. And I went ahead and zeroed out with a spoon, so it's fine. But there is about 360. I don't know if you can see that at the bottom. All right. And I'm just going to zero it out again. And I am going to do another 360. All right. So then the rest of this recipe is going to, you're going to mix it. You can do a stand mixer or you can do it yourself. And then you're going to put it in the fridge, or it's going to sit out on the counter, and then you're going to put it in the fridge overnight for 12 hours. And then the next day, you're going to add the salt and some more flour. Okay, so my dough has been in the refrigerator for 12 hours, and when I brought it out, I kneaded it. I did stretch and folds every hour, and after I've done 3 of them, it's ready to bake. So I set my oven to 500. I had my pot heating up in there, and I'm going to put my dough in there now. I'll put a little bit of flour in it to help it from sticking. That's fine. Those things work all the time. I will then cook it for 35 minutes. After that, I will lower the temp to 435 or 425 and then cook it till it's golden brown after the lid is taken off. This will normally take about 25 minutes, but it can take longer, so make sure you cook it all the way through or it will be doughy in the inside. Obviously I want a pretty picture. Nice. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you in the next video.